So, welcome to lecture 9. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn uh, automatic on-off circuit. So, if you want to operate uh, any cylinder frequently on off at some interval. So, for that, how you can design the circuit? I think we can say it closed loop or looping. If you want to give looping in PLC language, if you can say looping, you want to provide loop to your cylinder. So it will automatically on off. So for that we can design circuit. How we can do that? Let's see how to do this. So go to the, for example, I will take cylinder, double acting cylinder. For the example, this is simple, so I'm not going. I'm going a little bit fast. So direction control one, 5/2. This one. So now when I will press the start button, then cycle will start. So here I can give limit switch. Limit switch has been given, but I will not see here. Okay, so limit switch. So once it will go back to this limit switch will be sensed, and if it will go forward, then even will be detected. So now I want to start this cycle. So I have to take one limit switch. Limit switch we can take from here is also fine. Which button can take, we can change later. This is limit switch A0, A0, or we can give a reference here also, A0, A0. Here you can see the reference. So this is a common design. So now we will work on the logic side. Then it should start. Then we will press start button. So start button we can take zoom, so I can connect all the component. Here is the push button. This is the push button. One more push button I'm taking to stop this cycle because I have to stop this cycle also. So here you can write start, no symbol. Sorry, we have to write here start button, stop button. Another wall, logic wall I'm taking here, 3 by 2. Let me search. So here a little bit uh, logical things. So you have to learn. So this wall is NC wall. So I'm taking this is I can take this one. Here you can see this is NC. So I have to take here NO, NO wall I will take here. Cannot see the result. Okay, let me check. Both are human. So then you can see here. Okay, I have to search same option, this one, and here this one. Just you have to reverse it. Now it become, you know. So again, another limit switch is getting here. You have to connect this. Okay, this will be connected here. So our logic is that because when we are pressing this button, so button is coming automatically return, so air will pass again. So we don't want to do this. Instead of that, air should go continuously. On the first time, we will provide air from this button. So now coming to the point, uh, when we press this button, then air should flow. But here I think difficult to check the condition. Why it is not flowing? Let me check this condition. Why it's not working? Some problem is there. No issue. Let's check in the simulation. So another is we have to connect this, and this is common. We can connect like this. Little bit zoom it. This one. this one. So now the time is to connect flow lines, exhaust we can put, and pressure source also we can put, and exhaust around. You can delete now this one. Let's check. Let's check the circuit now. Is everything okay? A0 or is a mistake? A1. So when cylinder come forward, then it should sense this one. Now we can start the circuit so we can observe this how it is working. Start the simulation. Start. We did mistake here. Be careful when you are before checking the server. Always this is very important for the simulation. Otherwise, simulation will not work. One more we can add here. Forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, until I will close the stop button. Start. So like that, you can make the circuit for that, and you can test your circuit also. Like that, you can make automatic uh, on-off logic for the cylinder. Can stop. So here, first pulse is getting from the start button, and after that, it is getting signal for the from the limit switch. So here we have taken A0, the reference is A0, A1, that means reference is A1, and stop. Once you stop button, press the stop button, then cycle will be stopped. Okay, thank you. Thank you.